So Swapna, please tell me what is the type of J?
Dictionary type.
Yes, correct. Here, what is key and what is value?
K1, K2, K3 are keys and
Uh,
5, 4.6 and class are values.
Correct, correct. Very good. Okay, so this way regarding, some variables. Okay. And now if we want to check out like some mathematical operators, basically it is applied on floating point and integer. And one plus symbol we can use for concatenating string, and multiplication symbol we can use for, getting multiple string also. Okay, so we will be discussing about mathematical operators. So here, if you're having a variable a that is equal to 9, and if you're having a variable b that is equal to 2, okay, as we do simple mathematical operation like a plus b, what is the output? Simple addition, right? Like simple addition.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. And a minus b will give you simple subtraction only. Correct.
Yes.
And if a star b is there, then it will give you multiplication result, right?
Multiplication.
Correct. And a slash b will give you division result, right?
Division.
Yeah, correct. It will give you a floating point value, 9 divided by 2. And if you want integer value out of it, so a double slash b. Okay. I mean, it will
Okay.
like float integer, it will, floor division. It is called floor division, where the least value will be taken as the output. If
Yes,
it
ma'am.
is 4.9 also, in that case also you will get 4 only, not 5. Okay, it is
Yes,
not
ma'am.
rounding completely. So it is called floor division. Okay. And if you
Okay.
are doing a star star b, what will happen, A star star b, any idea?
No,
It is
ma'am.
actually exponential, 9 to the power 2, like that.
Okay.
9 to the power 2. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So that is regarding the, multiplication. And now the thing is that, okay. Oh, sorry. Actually, I forgot to mention that thing in morning. Okay, okay, no issues. Yeah. So here you can see it is exponentially increasing, right? Now, if you want a thing like class, okay, class, if you want to add it with something else, some string itself, okay, you can't add it with some integer value, because they two are of different types, and this will give you an error, okay, because they two are of
Yes, ma'am.
different types. But instead of that, if you are putting a particular string itself, like Python, okay, in that case, it will get concatenated. If you want space in
Oh,
between, here itself, you can provide the space. So it will become a single string like this. So plus
yes, ma'am.
operator you can use to combine two strings. Similarly, if
Yes,
you
ma'am.
want to multiply a string, in that case also you can actually use another multiplication of another operator, that is multiplication operator. In case of multiplication operator, you can use integer value. Okay, then 3 times class will be repeated like this, class, class, class. Or if you are providing a space in between, it will look like this. Is it clear how to use mathematical operators?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. And if you are putting something else like control C, control V, and this. Now it will show you an error. So these two things are applicable over there. Okay.
Okay.
Here also the type issue will come. They both are of different type. So these are
Okay.
some mathematical operator that you can use in general. Like it is applicable for this floating point value also. But if they two are different, okay, then also they will get added because they are numerical operators.
Okay.
Floating value and integer value, they can be added together. No issues with it. In subtraction case also it is possible. Multiplication, division, floor division, in every case it is possible, but result will be always in float form. Like this.
Okay.
Okay. And regarding floating point, two floating point is always applicable for mathematical operation. But when data type is different, like one is floating point and another is integer, in that case also you can apply this mathematical operator. I hope it is clear to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this was a small topic, a small basic topic regarding Python. You have any other doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Shall I wind up the session?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. Bye.
Thank you.
Welcome.